Look at that smile, always excited pumasok sa school. Alam niyo ba malaking bagay din yung comfortable sila sa shoes na isusuot nila everyday. And when it comes to black shoes, L Kids is our choice. Super love this non-slip outsole. No slipping, no pinching. It's snug fit and it hugs little feet just right. With padded collars para mas comfortable sila isuot ito. This little feet is so comfortable and happy. And one thing we love about it, it's super light with extra ankle support for stability and comfort. It's very stylish and on trend. So it's really perfect for everyday OOTD at school. And I am so happy dahil hindi na nagko-complain si Rain na heavy yung shoes niya. Sa sobrang light nitong shoes na to, she feels like walking on clouds. She enjoys her every steps. Priceless talaga na makita mo siyang masaya. Worry-free na ang every steps ng little girl ko.